Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and I am about to pick the winner of the September giveaway. Now I know that I'm late picking this, but I just think, you know what, more people got to enter. Yeah, so I went all the way through the year showing you which items I would put in mystery boxes on my Etsy store, depending on whether you picked summer, fall, winter, or spring. And I also threw in some grayscale, and we've got this beautiful Noro as well. So I am at the random comment picker. I put the URL in. I filtered out duplicate users. I filtered comments based on a specific text. So you had to use the word green in your answer in order to qualify. Now I did exclude myself. I don't think I actually used the word green in any of my comments, but I just to be safe, I excluded myself. And we've got 4 plus 4 is 8. And so now I'm going to find out how many comments I got. And my internet has been running really terribly, so I am so sorry if this takes a while. Okay, so we got 440 comments. So 440 of you are interested in this giveaway. So that's really great. And still, the odds are pretty good for each one of you. So I say good luck, and I am going to hit this start, and we will see who won. Melfinia's Magic, crochet, cooking, etc. The pink and purple yarn looks so pretty, but what's really unique is the green Noro yarn. September is a special month for me because it's my birthday month and my husband's too. Well, Melfinia, congratulations, you are the winner. And what I need for you to do is to send me an email, and my email address is going to be available either in the pinned comment or in the description. I post it both places if you want to find that. Otherwise, it's nichecraftwithcassie@gmail.com, but make sure you check the spelling on that. And everybody else, let's congratulate Melfinia for winning this giveaway. No worries, I have another giveaway posting this very day. I will see you soon in another video. Bye for now.